Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today we're working on our 2004 Volvo XC90 all-wheel drive version, and we're going to be replacing the rearward trim panel for your roof rail system. It's going to be easy peasy. I can do it, you can do it too. If you need these or any other parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. Okay, so we're on the roof of the vehicle here. We've got our rail. We've got our rearward trim piece here. It should just pop right up. You've got like a little clippy-do here, and then you got some other things right here that are going to help mount it in. And then of course the little pitons. The pitons kind of go in here. So we know we definitely don't want to start from here. We want to start from this end and then roll it up. So I'm just going to grab my plastic trim tool. I don't want to mar up any of our paint or anything here. I know it's just a 2004, but still, just do the best we can to keep it nice. There we are. We'll pop that right up, easy peasy. Hey friends, a quick product comparison for you. Over here, we have our trim piece off the roof rail of our 2004 Volvo XC90 all-wheel drive version. And over here, we have our brand new quality 1A Auto part. Both these parts are made exactly the same shape. Super important, right? Can't go wrong with that. They've got the same mounting pieces underneath. So you got your little clips and all that. Right here, right there. Of course, up along the front, you've got your little pitons, okay? Those are super important. Those slide into the roof rail, hold it secure. It's got everything you need to be able to mount it, which essentially is just what's already part of it. I don't see any reason why it wouldn't be a quality part to install into the vehicle, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it. If you need this or any other part, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. So here we go. Let's get ready to install our trim piece here. We've got our little pitons. They go up inside here, okay? This outer area right here goes on the outside of the roof rail system. So take it like that, slide in your little pitons. So they're ready to go in. There we are. Bring it down so it's lined up. And then, give it a little bonk, bonk, bonk. That's my thing. Give it a little wiggle. That puppy's going nowhere. 1A Auto, booyah.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.